Hello everyone, I welcome you to this special video because yesterday I achieved a big milestone for me. My count of subscribers reached 1000, so this is basically my way of saying thank you. So this would be kind of a vlog where I will show you uh, all my models so far, the stuff where I display them, and also my working area. So without further ado, I guess let's go straight to the tour. And here we go. This is basically my living room, and here we can see all the models. Okay, so as you can see here, we have the O'Neill, the Prometheus, and the 302. I will open the vitrine so you don't have any reflection there. Yeah, as you can see, I had to remove the front cannon because with them it wouldn't fit, but don't worry, they are not broken, they are simply removed. So if needed, if I ever change the display, then I will simply reattach them. Here we have Prometheus. Now it fits here pretty nicely. And here we have the 302. Okay, moving on. Yeah, the Apophis mothership is unfortunately so big that it won't fit into any vitrine, so it has to be outside, which I'm not really happy about, but what can I do? Yeah, it's simply too big. Yeah. Okay, and here we have another vitrine, so I will once again open it. So here we have the Kelps and Hattak class gold ships, the Dev Glider, and my SGU gate and the Pegasus Space Gate. And here we have our big vitrine. So here's my SGC gate, my Iris test rig, and my Milky Way off-world gate all together. Here is my prized jewel, my 304 Ares. It's already placed in a stand, so it has this very peculiar angle. So that's the only way the ship actually fits inside. It's inside the vitrine. As you can see, I've been experimented with some placards with BC304 that were provided by my friend Vasi, but unfortunately I didn't really figure out a correct scale and the placement yet. Here's my newest edition, the Bilskirnir class, and behind it you can see the two main cannon from O'Neill. Yeah, so here we still have some space for some small model. And on the bottom we have our replicator. Now, as you can see here, we have a fourth LED light, but as you can see there is no shelf yet, so I have to make a new glass shelf, and then we will, or maybe two, and then we will have more place to display some other models. Oh, and on the top is my trebuchet. Yeah, as you can see, the free space is becoming, well, a problem. But here I still have free space, so I already looked for a new vitrine. So yeah, I will probably buy a new vitrine. And one thing I would like to show you is this. This is my display of my Witcher medallions. These are the only models that I printed that are not mine, that I downloaded from Thingiverse, but all the others are indeed mine. And this is my working room where I have my printer and where I do prints, paints. As you can see, this is my collection of the Revell paints for the details and paint sprays for the big pieces. And as you can see now, it prints. It actually prints the second half of this, which is just a test. I guess you know what it is, but it's not the real model. It's just a test to, hone my skills. Okay, so I guess that's kind of conclude the tour. Okay, so this was it. As you can see, not the most professional tools that I have at my disposal, but it's sufficient. Anyway, I would really like to thank each and every single one of you for this. I didn't really think that I would achieve such a big number. What I can promise you for the future is that I will try to improve my production value. So what I have in mind, for example, is to add some copyright-free music to my videos, and maybe some that I would capture the printing process. So yeah, that may be interesting as well. And yeah, that's from the top of my head what I have in mind. And also I would like to continue with my what if videos. Anyway, once again, thank you, and this is it. So have a very nice day and have an even nicer Eastern. Bye bye.